Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this Valentine's Sloth paint kit. Everything you need to complete these paint kits are provided. So you're going to get the brushes, the paint, the cutout, and the Sharpie marker all used to outline everything. And I'm going in first with this medium brown color, and I'm painting pretty much all of his body excluding his face. And I'm just using the number 12 flat for this, which is the largest brush in your packet. And then following that, I like to keep like a bowl of water and paper towels or baby wipes around so that I can clean my brushes and continue to use them throughout my project. So I'm still using that number 12 flat here. I'm just going in with my tan color. Following this, I'm going in with my white paint and painting the area around his eyes. And then following this, I'm going to go in with the soft pink and paint the heart. And again, I've used this number 12 flat for everything I've base coated thus far. Just rinsed it in between uses. And pink is one of the colors that sometimes you'll need to go in and do a second coat with. It just depends on how thick you put it on. So after this dries, I will decide whether or not to go in and do a second coat. And you can do the same, just kind of use your own discretion. And you guys, if you'd like to see more of us painting, you can check us out Monday, Wednesday, and Friday live on Facebook at 11 a.m. Central Time. We would be so happy to see you there. And I also want to let you guys know that you can purchase these paint kits online at buildacross.com. Now everything's been base coated and I've given it plenty of time to dry. So I'm going to go in with my Sharpie brushstroke marker as seen here. And I'm going to outline everything. And this step is my favorite because it's when everything really comes to life. It's also very easy because I'm just following the lines that are etched into the cutout for me. So I'm not having to really think about this too hard. It makes it very easy. I'll also use this Sharpie marker to go in and just fill in his little nose since it's so small. And then once I'm done outlining him, I'm going to swap my Sharpie marker for a paintbrush, and I'm going to go in with a number 3 round or a number 4 round. It's the smallest brush in your packet, I believe, and I'm going to highlight everything. And I love to highlight just the top of the nose, and this kind of lightens and brightens everything up and gives it a completed look for me. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.